शनैश्वराय नमः शनैश्वराय नमः। संहिता, ब्राह्मणम, आरण्यकम and Upanishads are the four classification done to Veda before vertical classification. Upanishads are the cardiac textbooks of our scriptures. Especially Bhagavan Vedavyasa, when he established Vedanta Darshana, he has established Vedanta Darshana with the help of Prasthanatraya, Shruti Prasthana, Sutra Prasthana and Smriti Prasthana. In Shruti Prasthana, the most important 10 Upanishads are added, and in Sutra Prasthana, the systematization of the values of Upanishads with proofs, solid proof together. Bhagavan Vedavyasa has written 555 sutras, which is known as Vyasa Sutras, Brahma Sutra, Bhadarayana Sutra, etc. So, Brahma Sutra is the textbook which can establish with solid proof and examples what are mentioned in the Upanishads. How to systematize the sadhana, how can a jiva get liberated from the samsara while you are alive. As per our shastras, moksha is not to be achieved after death. Moksha is to be achieved while you are alive. So, Shruti Prasthana 10 Upanishads, Sutra Prasthana or Nyaya Prasthana, Brahma Sutras, and in Smriti Prasthana, the technological background with Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvada, Srimad Bhagavad Gita is added. So Vedanta Darshana is established with Prasthanatraya, Sutra Prasthana, Nyaya Prasthana and Smriti Prasthana. Now, what is Vedanta? Usually we used to say, what you can understand is Siddhanta and that which will not be understood is Vedanta. Vedanta is pure experience of what the Vedas has mentioned. Vedanta Darshana is the sixth Darshana established by Bhagavan Vedavyasa Maharshi. The six darshanas, the orthodox darshanas, which are directly based on Vedas, they are called Astika darshanas. And what is Astika and what is Nastika? It has nothing to do with God. Let us see that elaborately tomorrow. Om Shanaishwaraya Namaha.